Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi Tiwari and I very warmly welcome you to this amazing lesson. Well, I'll begin with this. I want you all to listen to these sentences carefully. Read them carefully. Ria is my friend. Ria studies in class 5th. Ria likes drawing. Ria has a pet dog. All right. Now tell me, which word is being repeated over and over again? That's the word Ria, right? And doesn't it sound a little repetitive? It does, yes. Now imagine if every time you talked about someone, you had to keep saying their name again and again and again. Thoda strange lagega, right? So can we make these sentences shorter and smoother? Well, let's find out. What if I say that Ria is my friend? She studies in class 5th. She likes drawing and she has a pet dog. Sounds much better, right? अब हमें बार बार रिया बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. हमने उसकी जगह she use कर लिया. And that brings us to our today's topic, which is pronouns. Pronoun क्या है? Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Pronoun, right? In simple words, a pronoun is used in place of a noun. जैसे कि अगर मैं बोलूं राहुल plays cricket, Rahul loves sports, Rahul practices every day. Now let's improve it, okay? Rahul plays cricket, he loves sports, he practices every day. Much better, right? So pronouns जो होते हैं, they make our sentences sound very natural and less repetitive, right? अब क्यों चाहिए हमें pronouns? क्यों ना हम ऐसे ही बोले? देखो, imagine talking without pronouns. You would have to keep repeating names all the time. जैसे कि अगर मुझे बोलना है, my brother is funny, my brother likes football, my brother watches sports every weekend. Very repetitive and boring, right? Instead, I'll say my brother is funny, he likes footballs, he likes playing football, he watches sports every weekend, etc. So much easier on ears and much understandable, right? That's why pronouns are important. So let's meet some common pronouns, all right? सबसे पहले है I. We use I when we are talking about ourselves, right? जैसे कि I am Sakshi. I love teaching English. Yes, you, the next one is you. We use you when we talk to someone. जैसे कि you are a student. You are watching this lesson, right? We use he when we are talking about somebody who's male, a boy or a male person. Like Rahul is playing cricket, he is playing cricket, right? Similarly, we use the pronoun she for a girl or a female person. जैसे कि Ria likes drawing, she likes drawing, right? इट का यूज हम करते हैं फॉर एनिमल्स एंड थिंग्स. जैसे कि द डॉग इज स्लीपिंग, तो उसके लिए मैं यूज कर सकती हूँ इट इज स्लीपिंग. द फोन इज न्यू, इट्स अ थिंग, सो उसके लिए मैं यूज कर सकती हूँ इट इज न्यू, राइट? नेक्स्ट वन इज वी. So we use the word we when we are talking about ourselves and other people together. जैसे कि we our friends, we are learning English, right? They, we use they for two or more people, for many animals, for many things. जैसे कि the children are playing, I'll say they are playing, right? So I hope we're able to understand. Let's do a very quick activity right now. I'll say a noun and you have to tell me the correct pronoun, all right? For example, the first one is Ria. You have to give me a pronoun. Well done. The pronoun is she. The next one, Rahul. The pronoun is he. Now, Ria and Meera. Great. The pronoun is they, right? My dog. It. Yes. My friends and I. What does this mean? We. Yes. Excellent. So I hope you're able to understand what a pronoun is. Now let's spot the pronoun. Let's identify the pronouns, all right? So Aman is my brother. He's very funny. Which word is the pronoun here? Great. I'm confident that you said he. Yes. Next one. The cat is sleeping. It is tired. देखो, the cat तो हो गया noun and pronoun हुआ it, right? Yes. Okay, चलो अब ये वाली एक्टिविटी करते हैं and I'm very confident कि आप इसका भी सारे सही जवाब देंगे. Okay, now you have to replace the nouns in these sentences. Mohan is a teacher. Noun कौन सा है? मोहन, अब मोहन को हटा के हम प्रोनाउन लगा देंगे. The answer will be he is a teacher. Sanya likes music. Great. She likes music, right? The children are playing football. Well done. Noun क्या है? Children. And the children को हटा के हम बोलेंगे they are playing football. Right? Great job. So just remember one important rule. A pronoun usually refers to a noun that has already been mentioned. ओके जैसे कि रिया इज माई फ्रेंड शी इज वेरी काइंड सो शी यहाँ पे क्या रेफर करता है रिया के बारे में बताता है राइट सो नाउन्स एंड प्रोनाउंस दे वर्क लाइक अ टीम फर्स्ट we introduce the noun then we use a pronoun instead of repeating that noun simple right yes, great. So, with this, we've come to the end of our lesson where today we learned that a noun is a naming word and a pronoun replaces a noun. Some common pronouns are I, you, we, they, he, she, it. And remember, when we are repeating a noun, it becomes boring. A pronoun comes to the rescue, right? So today I want you all to, look around you and find 5 nouns, maybe mother, father, dog, friends, teacher, and now replace them with pronouns, right? Like for mother, what will I say? For father, what will I say? For dog, what will I say? Etc. Right? Let me know that in the comments. I will wait for your response. Yes, so I'm Sakshi Tiwari. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I will see you in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Happy learning.